I'm giving myself 48 hours to make as much money on Instagram as possible. $0 to $100 on Instagram. How easy is it? Today I'm going to show you behind the scenes to one of my Instagram theme pages, and to make this really interesting and just to show you that you can do this from anywhere in the world and anyone could do this, I'm going to be traveling to Europe, show you that you can literally do this from anywhere. Alright, so this is going to be the base camp for the next couple of days. This is where we're going to be attempting this Instagram challenge. I honestly don't think you can get any more remote than this. Alright, so if you're new to Instagram theme pages, you might think that it's only like a select few that actually make money on Instagram. You might not even realise how profitable this area can be. Honestly, the amount of people I talk to who don't realise that these pages that they're, liking and engaging with, they don't realise that they're earning money. These people aren't waking up at like 8 AM and posting free cat videos for the fun of it. Well, I mean, some people might be, but most people, like 99% of people, are doing it to make some money. You see, these pages are actually called theme pages, and they can earn thousands every single month just by posting content on Instagram. The barrier to entry is honestly so low. Anyone can make an Instagram theme page and anyone can make money on it. You can literally do this from anywhere. That's why I'm currently in Switzerland, because I'm going to show you guys me doing it just out here in Switzerland while I'm taking a bit of a break. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Well, at least I hope, if I don't fail the challenge. Honestly, I probably won't be posting this if I fail the challenge though, let's be honest. So anyways, now that you're caught up, I'm about to spill the sauce on exactly how you can make money on Instagram, and I'm actually going to show you me doing it with one of my own pages called Always Drippy, and show you exactly how this page makes money. Honestly, most people on YouTube will just chat shit about, like a fake thing that they've done and not actually show the results. So that's why I'm out here, in Switzerland, showing you that it is possible from anywhere. So let's put the timer on and see how long it takes me to make $100 with this page. Before we get into it though, a bit of a backstory with this page. I have been slacking on it, I've not really been giving it the time, that attention that it needs. So this challenge is actually good because this means, I actually have to put a bit more effort into it. But it's good for you as well, because I'm going to show you the steps that I take to actually revitalize a page and show you the steps that I'm going to actually take to monetize it as well. So this page is all about fashion. It's basically just like Nike products and stuff. The idea with the page is that I build up an audience that is interested in sportswear. Then I can sell like promotions and like promos to like sneaker resellers or up and coming streetwear brands. Like a lot of people are interested in this type of audience. So I thought it'd be a good idea for me to build this audience in this niche. If you don't know what a promo is, it's basically just when a person buys a promotion on your story. So if you've ever seen like a page sell like an advert or something like on their stories, or they're promoting something, that page is being paid to do that. So that's basically what a promotion is. Honestly, promos are easy money, and that's why the first thing we're doing is actually try and get as many promos as possible, because it's so easy to make money. You literally just repost something that they want you to repost and they'll pay you for it. So to do this, I'm actually going to start cold approaching pages and brands, basically asking them if they want to reach a larger audience. Now obviously in an ideal world, the way it normally works is the brands will come to you, but because we're on a time limit here, we're going to have to do a bit of the work ourselves. So what I'm doing is I'm basically just searching for pages in this niche and asking them if they want a promo. You can feel free to copy this text if you want. It's literally just something I put together in about 20 seconds. It's just me telling them what would be beneficial, blah 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 blah, and just getting them hopefully interested. Right, so I've messaged about 30 different companies / brands and like anyone in this niche, and now we just play the waiting game. So what I'm going to do is just climb a mountain, because again, I'm in Switzerland, so I might as well see what the scenery is saying, and hopefully by the time I get back, we've actually got a few people interested in promotions. Alright, so it's been about 5 hours since we last spoke, and I'm currently up on a mountain. I went into town, I got myself some pan au chocolat and a nice little ham sandwich that we have down here. Now during this hike I have been messaging this guy back and forward, my many breaks that I've been taking. But although I do look relatively healthy, I've done absolutely no training or any preparation before climbing some mountains. So I'm a little bit out of breath. Anyway, the reason why I'm actually recording is because someone's actually got back to us. As you can see, he is interested in the promo. And he's basically just asking some questions like, can we guarantee him some results? What kind of brand we are? I just kind of said, we do sportswear. Here's a sportswear brand, it'll work. Alright, so silly me, it's obviously really windy up the mountain, so I'm having to voice over this bit. I basically just say that this guy's interested in the promo deal. So I sent him over our rates, which are $30 for a story post and a feed post for 24 hours. And we're just hoping that he gets back to us. Alright, so on my walk back down, this guy's confirmed with us that he's willing to do the promotion, so he's sending us £30 over on PayPal, which means we're that little bit closer to our goal of $100, and we're only 5 hours into this challenge. It's not a bad start. Hopefully by the time I get back to my chalet, we'll have had some more messages, and maybe this challenge is going to be completed in 10 hours, who knows. Alright, so we're back at the hotel now and I've opened my phone to 0 messages. It is not looking good. To be fair, cold messaging doesn't really have a high return rate. You know, like a lot of people will just ignore your messages. It's not the best way to go about getting promos. I'm surprised we even got the guy interested that we did. Also, some of these guys just might take a couple of days to respond because, you know, when you cold message someone on Instagram, it appears in the request section. I don't check that request section that much. So yeah, probably these guys don't as well. So in order to complete this challenge, we're gonna have to incorporate a different strategy. So other than selling promos on Instagram, you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. Basically, this is where people click your link that you put in your description or wherever, or your bio, and once they click the link and click on a product, if they like it and buy it, you will get a cut of that purchase. So you get a commission for every person that has bought that product. Really simple. It means you don't have to, you know, like actually do the shipping or make a product or have inventory. You're just basically the middleman, which is, it is really good. This is kind of like TikTok Shop. For those of you familiar with TikTok Shop, it's just essentially that, but on Instagram. So with my page Always Drippy, I'm actually partnered up with Nike. So that means that I can link a Nike product like some shoes on my stories or whatever, and then I will get a cut of that commission. So this is what we're gonna do. So I've had a look on the Nike website and decided to post these 2 items on my story because I think like these are probably the most best looking items out right now. Hopefully people will be interested in it. Hopefully people have got like trigger happy, it's payday, just want to get a purchase down them so we can get some cash. Now you might be thinking, why don't I just spam out the story with like loads of product links and stuff to make as much money as possible? Well, I don't want to do that because my followers will get annoyed. Like, you can only really promote so many things on Instagram without people, you know, saying, right, you're taking the mick. So I think just 2 products, 2 shoes, you know, I think it's sound. I don't think anyone's gonna have a problem with that. The thing is as well, because people are already interested in like shoes and trainers that follow my page, some people might not even realize it's an ad, so it works in our favor. All right, so now that we know what products we want to actually promote on our story, basically what we have to do is create the affiliate link. Now this is super easy to do. So Nike is actually partnered up with Owen. I'm giving you guys some sauce here, by the way. I'm absolutely putting you on. So Owen is basically like a platform. I can show you really quickly. So if you click join programs, you can see that there are loads of different companies. And you've got Talk. As you can see here, you've got the conversion rates of how often they convert. If when people click the link, are they going to buy? And that's what you see in conversion rates. And you also have approval rates, like are you going to get approved for this program? Anyway, so Nike is on this platform. So if I go over to Toolbox to click Link Builder, I go to advertisers, and then as you can see, I've got Nike here. I can then go over to the product that we want to promote. I'm going to promote this product on my Instagram story. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to paste this in my destination URL. I'm going to click generate link. And then this link right here is what I'm going to promote on my Instagram story. And when I promote this link, if anyone buys this product through my link, I will get a 15 to 20% commission of this amount. So as you can see, it's really good, especially because everyone's already interested in shoes, in the sneaker wear, in my Instagram page, because I've built up that following. It works really, really well. So hopefully we can get some sales with this. All right, so it's the next morning now. Looks like we've made 2 potential sales with this affiliate marketing method. So the total commission is £26.50 that, you know, we've made. That goes straight into our pockets. Now the way affiliate marketing works is it actually takes 30 days for this to get into my bank account, just because, you know, in case someone goes back on an order, they refund it, and then it basically means we don't get the affiliate marketing money. But you know, this doesn't really happen that often, so I'm just going to count this as we've got £26.50 in the pot. I also don't want to make this challenge last 30 days because no one's got time for that. So today what I'm going to do while I go on my adventures is just post a few more stories, you know, just about some Nike I'm going to probably call it like Nike products you need to watch or something. Just make something up just to try and get some more sales, and hopefully we get some more affiliate marketing money. This might be the way to $100, so let's hope for that. Oh, and before I go, I've just actually forgot to tell you that we had another person message about the promos, you know, from all the cold messaging that I did yesterday. They said that was actually interested in getting a promotion, so I've just hit him with my promo rates, and let's hopefully see if this guy bites back. I also just remembered I need to post the promotion for the guy from yesterday. I need to actually post it on my story to get that confirmed $30. So if we get this promo in, get one more affiliate marketing sale, I think we might have got that $100 mark, as long as hopefully we can get this guy to close the sale. But yeah, I should probably go post that promo for that other guy before he gets mad. Alright, so before I set off on my adventure, I was just chilling by the pool, and I thought while I was chilling here, I decided to post another affiliate marketing story, because obviously we got a sale from that yesterday, so I thought let's push it one more time. And this time I kind of had a bit of a better strategy, because we are trying to push for that sale. What I did is I actually found a product that Nike has got on sale, so I'm just going to advertise this as Nike sale minus 30-40%, get it now before stocks last. Do you know what I mean? Something on those lines. Hopefully this creates like a sense of urgency and we can get someone to pull the trigger and yeah, get some more affiliate marketing money.
1 hour later.
Right, so I've got a lot to fill you in on. By the way, I'm sorry that these clips are all filled in portrait. Clearly not used to filming in real life yet. Anyways, it's been about 2-3 hours since we last spoke. Got the second guy to confirm on a promo deal. He basically has like some e-cigarette business that he wants us to promote. Don't really want to promote like those type of businesses, but you know, I guess the people that are going to buy those products are going to buy them regardless, so we might as well make some money on it. Does that make me a bad person? Maybe. Let me know down below. I mean, to be fair, we are doing a challenge video. I wouldn't normally promote something like this. Normally I actually charge quite a bit more for a promo deal, but as again I said, we are a bit desperate. Anyways, he's paid us now, so that's another $30 added to the total. I also did get a notification off Awin saying that someone has made a transaction, but I'm not exactly sure how much it is yet because my signal is absolutely horrendous up here. It's almost like I'm on top of a mountain in the middle of nowhere.
Alright, so as you can see, the sun is setting here, and that means it's the end of day 2.
But it also means that we've reached the goal, because by that little b-roll footage that I just showed you then, we've just made our last affiliate marketing sale, which means that we've made over $100 in under 48 hours, which, I mean, for just posting a few things on Instagram and building a page, it just goes to show how much money you can make if you actually try with Instagram. You know, honestly, once you've built the foundation and you've built your page up, you can just start doing this like every other week. So you don't want to like put off your followers by just doing too many adverts, but you know, if you just do this every other week, just promote stuff, and if you do it like me, where I've built up an audience that are actually interested in sneakers and stuff, so they don't really see it as an ad, it can work so well. And honestly, this has given me a bit of motivation to kind of revive the Always Drippy page, and hopefully, you know, maybe stack up a bit more bread with it. You know, I've been doing like a little mini monk mode out here in Switzerland, so I just thought, you know, it was the perfect time to do a challenge video, because I know you guys like challenge videos, and I wasn't really being too much on my phone apart from doing the challenge. But yeah, if you did appreciate me actually showing you my real life Instagram page and showing you actually how I monetize this, let's be real, I've just thrown like loads of sauce at you and shown you how I like make money, so there's going to be a lot of copycats after this video, so definitely make sure to subscribe because of that, and I'll see you all in the next one.